little engine that could. Once upon a time, there was a small engine named Casey. Casey lived in a village surrounded by hills. Every day, Casey had an important job to carry things from the village to the city on the other side of a big mountain. Casey loved helping the villagers, but the mountain was really hard to climb. It was steep and had lots of twists and turns. Casey often got tired and had to ask for help from bigger engines. One day, as Casey struggled up the mountain, a speedy engine named Max raced past. Max was strong and always showed off. Casey felt a little jealous and wished it could be as powerful as Max. Feeling discouraged, Casey stopped and started to give up. But then, an older engine named Olivia came along. Olivia was wise and had seen many challenges in her life. Olivia smiled kindly at Casey and said, "You have something special inside you, Casey. It's called belief. If you truly believe in yourself, you can overcome anything." Curious and hopeful, Casey looked up at Olivia. Olivia continued, "The mountain may be tough, but with the right mindset and determination, you can conquer it. Repeat after me, I think I can, I think I can." Casey hesitated, but with Olivia's encouragement, it took a deep breath and said, "I think I can, I think I can." Something magical happened. Casey's spirit soared, and it started to believe in its own abilities. It felt energized and ready to face the challenge. With every chug up the mountain, Casey repeated, "I think I can, I think I can." The villagers noticed the change in Casey's attitude and cheered it on. Casey's wheels spun faster, and the load felt lighter. The task didn't seem as impossible anymore. Each "I think I can" pushed Casey forward, breaking through doubts. Finally, after a long journey, Casey reached the top of the mountain. The view of the city was incredible. The villagers cheered, grateful for Casey's determination. From that day on, Casey became a hero in the village, a symbol of hope and believing in oneself. Casey's story spread far and wide, inspiring many others. So, the story of Casey, the little engine that could, reminds us that we all have strength inside us. If we believe in ourselves, there's nothing we can't achieve. No matter how tough the challenge, keep saying, "I think I can." The moral of the story of the little engine that could is an important lesson. Believing in oneself is the key to overcoming challenges. No matter how large or difficult the endeavor appears to be, having trust in our talents may lead to success.